I know I'm emotional. I just want to be Okra, man.
Tell me you want it.
He does not want queen. You look ridiculous. Please stay. Don't go. I want to go and eat. Now I'm starving. Let's go and eat.
But I would love to eat you.
A lot more than that, man.
Who, me and her? This one?
Classy. I'm extremely talented gentleman, you see, that's the problem about me. Are you really going to behave like this to us, right? Dude, don't do this. Are you seriously crying in front of me right now? If we started counting your flaws today, we probably wouldn't be able to sleep, so...
I'm happy you're getting to me.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you got me when I just came in. He's kissing me back. I don't want to ruin our friendship. Saga, leave me alone.
I'm sorry, Nini.
Honestly, because you were like the first person I connected with.
Do you agree that you are protecting yourself?
Of course.
Who's protecting you?
What do you mean by that?
That's what I'm saying. It's like, it's all about you.
I find you attractive.
I did try to push you away at some point. But it didn't work. I mean, I couldn't even really do it. All you're doing is like shooting nails down to my waist. But what you asked for, does it have to do with me?
Yes.
You just give me cold shoulders, or not really cold shoulders. You just give me like, you don't care, like, you're like, okay, whatever, like.
Cheers to friendship.
I want to be your friend.
Cheers to all.
Do you care about me?
Sometimes you're a dick. I always have your back.
You're backing away from me.
Honestly, Jackie, I don't know what we're doing.
Can we fix that or no?
It's confusing me.
I remember everything vividly. And I was quick enough to understand you. That's why we bonded fast.
I know you know I like you.
I don't want sharing your attention with anybody.
I can't be like this with you here. I'm already used to your vibe. And I'm not good with malice or all the shit. It's not me.
All the women in this house,
Okay.
I chose you.
I don't give a fuck.
So tell me, when you want to stay with me? I'm kissing you now. No, you like what? You don't want to kiss you. What am I down to you?
I don't have anything to say, Okra.
You have to. I don't fucking like you anymore, man. What the fuck? Asking you to tell me what it is, and you don't want to say anything. Other women are probably going to be dying now.
They should die now.